It is Mental Health Awareness Month, and here at CBS 2, we are breaking the stigma surrounding mental health. This morning, we're highlighting an important law now on the books in New York that allows summer camps to hire licensed mental health professionals. Joining me now over Zoom to explain is Alicia Scovera. She is Executive Director at the American Camp Association of New York and New Jersey. Alicia, thanks for being here.
Thank you, Cindy. Thanks for having me.
First, tell us more about this law.
So this law allows New York summer camps to hire mental health professionals during the camp season. So that includes psychologists, social workers, mental health counselors. It also authorizes camps to hire athletic trainers, physical therapists, and occupational therapists. And this is for all New York camps. So overnight camps, day camps, trip and travel camps, camps that serve people with developmental disabilities and special needs. The surrounding states have been able to hire licensed mental health professionals for years on staff, but there was a loophole in the New York state law that didn't allow for it.
And, you know, the law went into effect last year, but it took a while to get this passed.
It's true. For 10 years, the American Camp Association, New York and New Jersey, and the New York State Camp Directors Association have been advocating for this law as the mental health problems of young people arriving at camp really have increased.
What are some of the reasons your organization pushed to have mental health professionals on staff?
That's a great question. This is really a continuity of care issue, right? So we know that young people's problems don't stop when they get on the bus to begin camp. And over the years, camp professionals were seeing firsthand the number of mental health challenges that kids and young staff were coming to camp with. And issues such as anxiety, eating disorders, self-injurious behaviors, and certainly COVID really exacerbated it all.
How did the camps handle these types of issues in the past?
So in the past, camps would have to contact a third-party provider who wasn't always available in a timely manner, or maybe that same provider wouldn't be available for a follow-up session. So allowing New York camps to hire licensed professionals means that they allow the professional to be part of the camp culture. They can build trusting relationships with children, and they get to understand the campers and staff and know them sometimes even before problems arise.
And being a parent who had a child in camp, I mean, it's going to make such a difference, just peace of mind as you let your child go to camp. What kind of, with this law, what difference do you think it's going to make for campers this summer?
Well, we've had a number of camps hire licensed professionals last year. And now this summer we're seeing even more. So we know that moving forward, we're going to continue to see an increase in the number of camps who hire mental health professionals. And now it means that campers who go to New York camps with mental health challenges will now be able to get the care and the continuity of care, so that way they can enjoy a fun and wonderful summer at camp.
All right, that's fantastic, Alicia. Thank you so much for your time this morning.
Thank you so much, Cindy. Take care.
Thank you.